So Polygon Matic is right now, as we're speaking, falling fast towards lower levels. The question now is, how deep will this fall actually become? And where can we see strong bounces towards much higher levels? So in this video, guys, we are once again back with Polygon Matic, and we will be doing a Matic price prediction and technical analysis. If you guys enjoy these Matic updates and want to see more of them, it's always super awesome and helpful when you show that by dropping a like. And real quick, before we get started here, I just have to give a disclaimer. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video is financial advice. But alright guys, now let's get started right away here. And right now we are looking at the Polygon Matic daily time frame. So every candlestick on this chart represents 1 day. And the very first thing I do want to talk about here is that we recently, you can see here the last couple of days, we have been trying to break this very key resistance zone in between around 2.43 to 2.38. But you can see here that we never actually managed to get a daily candle close above this zone. You can see we tried to break this one pretty much 3 times here, but after today's failure, we're seeing a massive fall here towards the downside. We can see here that today's daily candle, we're actually trading down around 11% as we're speaking. And the very unfortunate thing about today's daily candle is that if we close where we are right now, then we will be printing a bearish engulfing pattern. And this is a bearish Japanese candlestick pattern that indicates a potential reversal here towards the downside. So that is one bearish sign to pay attention to. But alright guys, so since we're falling today, let's start this video off by taking a look at where are the most important support levels in the short term for Polygon Matic. And to do that, let's switch here real quick to the 4-hour time frame. And the first support level I'm actually paying attention to, it is this zone right here in between around the 2.22 to 2.19. We talked about this one in our previous Polygon Matic video. And the very scary thing that I really don't like is that we actually are right now trading below this one. If we zoom in here to the most recent 4-hour candle, so you can see that the last 4-hour candle, we managed to close just at the support zone. So in my opinion, we are still holding this one. But this 4-hour candle, we are right now, we sort of went up and tested this previous support, right, as resistance on this 4-hour candle. So if we close the 4-hour candle below this zone, that would definitely be a bearish sign in my opinion. So if you are a Matic bull, what I would look out for is that if we can manage to reverse this candle and close above this support zone, that would be a good sign. With that said, if Matic fails to do that, then the next support level I am paying attention to is all the way down here at around 1.97 to $2 around there. Why am I paying attention to this one? Well, we look a bit left here. We can see that this one was a major resistance level here November 6th. Then this one sort of acted as support here for a while. So 1.97 to around $2 is definitely something you can be paying attention to. If the bears manage to even smash below that one, then we have this downsloping blue line. You can see that this one acted as resistance 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. A common principle in trading is that we flip previous resistance to become support, right? So you can definitely look out for this downsloping blue line as a potential support level. If we for some reason go even lower, perhaps if the whole crypto market dumps, maybe Bitcoin continues to fall, as we can see, pretty much the whole crypto market is down today. So it's not only Polygon Matic, but we are taking a big hit today. But if we for some reason continue to fall here, then I would actually look down all the way down at this very important support level in between 1.50 to 1.42. Why is this one such a key level? Well, this one have a lot of historic significance. We can see that this one acted as support November 28, support November 19, support once again multiple times October 21. Look a bit left here, we can see that this one acted as resistance, resistance, resistance. So a very key level historically, 1.50 to 1.42. But alright guys, so now we are very soon ready to take a look at the upside scenario. So what are some levels to pay attention to if we can get a strong bounce here for Polygon Matic? But real quick, before doing that, I actually have a very important question for you guys. And that is, of course, what are you drinking today? Right now, as I'm speaking, I'm sipping on some julmust. This is a Swedish Christmas drink. I actually think I might be addicted to it. It's a very special taste, probably not good for you, but yeah. Please let me know if you want it down in the comments what they're drinking. As for the upside scenario, what are some levels to pay attention to? Well, as we talked about recently, the first one we need to break is this one in between 2.22 to 2.19. But if we can manage to push above this one, then we are of course still looking out for this one right here in between around 2.38 to 2.43 dollars. The reason we're looking out for this one is basically we just recently saw this one as resistance 1 time, 2 time. And if you look all the way back here, you can see we scroll a lot of left here we can see that we had a local top May 26. So this was the local top we printed right there. So definitely some historic significance on this zone and a key zone to pay attention to. However, if the bulls manage to once again reverse and smash above both of these, then we are looking up. Our next target is the 2.82 level. And this one, of course, comes from the very nice all-time high that Matic printed here all the way back May 18. If we can manage to smash above all-time high, then we have one target level at 4.18. We have yet another target level at 6.39. If you are interested where these targets come from, I talked about that in the video from yesterday. So if you want to, you can check that video out. One last warning sign we need to pay attention to here today for Polygon Matic is right here. So as you can see, we have printed one high and then a higher high here on the daily time frame. But if you look down to the RSI, you can see that the RSI printed a lower high. So we have the price going in one direction, the indicator going in the opposite direction. This is what we in trading call a bearish divergence, indicating a reversal to the downside. The positive thing here is that we can't see the divergence on the MACD. So when I look for divergences, I usually want to see them both on the MACD as well as the RSI. But in this case, we only have it on the RSI. So that is, you know, a slightly optimistic sign. But alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you feel like you got any kind of help or value, then please consider dropping a like. And if you guys are interested in more, then don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope I will catch you in the next video. But for now guys, take care. Ciao, ciao.